upgrade utility. So in this video I'll go through the same procedure, but here we have got DataGuard setup. So yes, you can follow the Oracle MetaLink document. Oh no, not MetaLink, sorry, Oracle document for upgrading where auto upgrade utility for Oracle DataGuard environment. So this is almost similar that we do for manual upgrade or any update like one shell script to execute the upgrade process, whole upgrade process, or use Ansible, so like, or using Ansible tower. So this is a similar way you can do that one. So here I'm going to using auto upgrade utility. Let's first tell me this one. I have got two servers. Primary server is here. You see that this is DevOps where my primary database is running, and so let me connect there. So this is my primary server. Database version is 12.2, and if I go to standby server, which is OEL7, let me clear screen. This is physically standby. So let me go through here. Just remember, this is lab environment, so I'm doing into my own lab environment. So exit from here. I have already set up DataGuard broker, so that is easy to manage. Connect. Sure, configuration. So they're all good. Now first thing that what I need to do, I need to stop the DataGuard process. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to stop redo apply. So edit database state to first check so that you know, show database so adding database set. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set this property state should transport off so that it doesn't transport anything when I'm adding database to upgrade mode. So set state equal to transport off. Okay, now and show database, my physically standby database, which is this one here. Oh, I put, and now that I put environments, this database unique name. So edit database set, I'm going to apply off. So here apply is on, so I'm going to apply off. So after apply, stop apply, redo, now I'm going to do this in physically standby database. I'm going to stop database, shut down immediate. If you use Rack database, then substitute stop database -d, that you can use that command. One thing I need to do, I need to take a backup of the DataGuard broker config file. So some startup amount, because I stopped that one to see the actual path. So parameter dj will give me that one. So I'm going to stop database and take this DataGuard broker file backup of that one. So database has been, so as I'm going to take a backup of these two files here, config file. I've created a directory, that one, app pg, and then copy the second one. So I took a backup of these two, so my physical system database has been stopped. So now I'm going to upgrade my primary database. So let's go to primary database server here, which is DevOps. So exit from here and I showed you last time, so I'm not going to discuss all those auto upgrade utility, but let me run that one. Auto upgrade jar, let's see, analyze what the output I get that one. So I have to set the environment. So in v, which is db21, see, I set that up, colon Oracle home. So this one, so I export then going to execute analyze for this database, and okay, let me before that go through with config what my file has got. No, that should be on auto upgrade path. Set me that path first. So this is the path where I put all the file. So this I have already discussed this in different video, like how to use auto upgrade. I'm not going much here. So here you have to define all the like database information based on your setup. So home or seed, or do you want to run UTLRP or time zone upgrade? So now let's run analyze command. Okay. So I can just straight copy this command and run that and execute that. So on the next time, okay. So it's saying that in clear recovery data before. So the data I have got, I should clear that one. So to clean that one, what I can do, because I have done for single instance, I move this AP jobs to single instance and here -p this one. And another thing, if I go there, so now if I run that on, what the issue is here, let me see, analyze. So now it's getting more deploy. I don't want that on clear recovery data more deploy. clean up recovery data. Okay, so it's getting information from a thing here. So let me change the path. See what happened after that. If not works, then I will do that option. Done. Let's see. Yes. So now it's running. So LSJ. Now go to that session, like list of jobs. It's running. So this is mainly pre-checks and check other things too before upgrading database. So that has been completed. You can see the logs from here. You see the logs file. You can check that one. So process has been successes and pre-checks completed. All good. One thing I can do here is it is not required to open pluggable database, but think that I've got physical standby and I can open the database redirect mode. Autougrade utility tool does that one for us, so I do not need to worry about that one. So what I can do, I am going to run that deploy to my primary database. So deploy and this is going to mode my pluggable database. It's going to open in redirect mode. So see the status. Let's wait for a few minutes. So it's running prefixing. So if I check the status job job 101, so you can see what it is doing actually. So it's doing prefixing. So here to get all the information, you can just type help command, which is already defined also when you go into that prompt. Here, if you look very first time, you run the job, there is the option that to type help to get more options to which commands are allowed to run here. So you can see all the options. So LSJ is list for jobs, tasks to see the display which tasks are running, and these are the options that if you want to restart, logs to see the path of the logs location, and the other thing is status to list all the jobs or relate to or tasks under the job. So you can see that one. So it's doing prefix up. Just running prefix up, so clear. I'll come back within 2 minutes again. My upgrade task has been completed, or but showing some error. So let me see what the error message is here. It could not fail, so I'm going to rerun that one with clear recovery data. Let's see. Oh, sorry, wrong window. But I'm not right path, so I'll go to my directory and then try this one. It has been started upgrading CDB root database. True. So let me pause here because it will run for a long time with my operating system resource. So I'm going to pause it here. Let's see the status again. It's okay. It's container root level still upgrading, so it's 74% done. Let's pause here again. Let's see status again. So it seems root container has been done. So yes, root container successfully upgraded. It's doing now both PDB and seed database, PDB seed. So I'm going to pause here, my video pause, then I'm going to come back soon. Status again. So STATS minus jobs number is 102. Oh no, LSJ 101. So 52% done. So I'm going to pause again here. Up to, so what I have done here under business, that is jobs. Job number is 102. So 52%, both running in parallel. So let me pause here. I'll come back again. So it's around 97%. So status 102. So upgraded phase done for pluggable database also. It's doing now PDB seed, then it will do post part. So here you see the stages, different stages done. Now it's running for 150 minutes. That based on my operating system resource. So if your system has more resources, it will be less time. So I'm going to pause my video here and go back again. Job status again. So where are we up to? LSJ. So it seems it's doing post upgrade part. So if I type status, job number. So post checks has been done, DB upgrade has been completed. Now it's doing post fix ups. So here I see that recompilation done for container level. Recompilation job has been completed for PDB level. Then timestamp fix up for both PDB seed and PDB level. Now it's doing dictionary update, so it has been started. So I'm going to pause here again for few minutes. So here we see that updated job has been completed. So jobs finished successfully. There is no failed job or no jobs pending. So you can, if you'd like to see more in detail, so you can get into the log directory and see that one. So but here it's saying enable DataGuard from this primary using the following DataGuard broker command, and also it's guarantee restore point. If we don't want to roll back or back into previous version, we can drop the guarantee restore point. So the primary database has been upgraded to 21.c. So let's validate that one. And that INP is line 21. So we can say dollar Oracle home. It's pointing there. So export path equal to dollar home. Plus SSDBA. So we can execute the command. So far we have upgraded our primary database from 12C to 21C. And after that, when after upgrade completion, we have copied parameter files to the new Oracle home directory, which is directory, and this is my physically standard server, cd donor Oracle home. So I copied those parameter file and password file here, and also I updated OracleTab entry point to the new Oracle home directory. I also copied the backed up broker configuration file to new Oracle home DBS directory. Now I'm going to start or mount this database, physical system database. Check the status. So physical system, right now I'm going to primary database side. Let's connect to the broker. Information, database. So what I'm going to do, edit database statical to transport on. So both transport and apply on. Let's make a switch. Repeat the command. So I'm getting a message, apply lag could not be determined. Let me connect to the physical system by side. Select process. Manage underscore standby. Running, maybe it's taking time, so for long. Let me, because I was trying, maybe possibly I need to disconnect and CMRP is waiting for long, just in case. Set line log, so that was waiting for log, so I just restored that one. And let's see now, show configuration, still getting that one, so it okay. Here we see that one, it just took a little bit time, but I say that it has been updated, so they are synced now. Now if I see the database, so database barbos primary database, so if I check physical standby, So they're all good now. Lag is there because I put DLM parameter to lag little behind from the primary database. So anyway, in this video I think you got a very good idea how we can auto upgrade primary database when there is a physical standby database. So this is almost same as we do manually upgrade. So for the physical standby site, so primary site first upgrade with the auto upgrade and then do the necessary changes to the standby site. Thank you. Thanks for watching.